Yo, what's going on, everybody? On YouTube, and I have an update for you guys, right? I have a little GBPJPY breakdown for tonight, and I have an update for you guys. So, if you guys came over here and watched my most recent video, right? First of all, it was a vlog style. A new vlog style is gonna be coming on Friday, but today's gonna be an update on the move that I broke down for you guys. If you guys watched the video, right? If you guys watched the video, we had predicted that GBPJPY was in a range and that USDJPY was gonna buy, right? And look at what happened, guys. I called it out for you guys. We were gonna pull back right to this area, and we ended up going along to the next area of support and resistance. It was very clean, very nice trade in which we rejected off the 0.23 almost perfectly, and then we caught a 2.8 times our risk move all the way up to the upside to the next area of support and resistance, just like I broke it down, guys. I broke it down beautifully, step by step, right? Now, what happened, all right? So, as you guys see, price makes a higher high, breaking out this huge supply and demand area, right? This supply and demand area on the lower time, on the higher time frames. If you see, this is a big daily and weekly area right here. We have rejections here, rejections here. I just haven't moved it down. And two times where price hit this area and then both rejected and fell for a number of pips, right? A bunch of pips, 136. So once price pulled back up and pushed up and broke above, not only do we have a higher high, which in terms of market structure, we have a bullish trend, right? We have a break above support and resistance. Now what I'm looking for is to reject off this area, right? Just like I had marked off right over here. Let's go show you guys right in there. Or that was after. So once you see right here, perfect. USDJPY broken down for you guys perfectly, and it went straight to our TPs, right? So we got that break above, we got that pullback, right? After that pullback, how did I enter? Why did I enter? Right? I'm gonna be breaking down this trade the entire time. So again, we're gonna delete this, and I'm gonna keep the fib on actually, right? So the fib is gonna show you guys why I really took the trade. Now it's because of the price action around this level right here, this fib level 0.236, right? So we're pushing, and price ends up coming back down. Let's go to the 30 minutes so we can speed it up. Price comes down to the 30 minute, and now we are now rejecting 0.23, right? We come down before session, we reject, and we get this huge price action signals, right? But this was 8 in the morning, right? This was 8 in the morning. I was asleep because I trade London. So I was like, okay, well, I could still possibly take this trade. Let's do the chart up now. I could still probably take this trade if during Asia or London session we come back down and reject. I'd like to enter, right? I would love to enter. So we waited because again, the move already took off without us a little bit. This is already halfway through the move, if you really think about it. So I wasn't comfortable entering in here, right? So I was like, listen, Asia session, London session, in our session, we're gonna stay patient, stay true to our trading strategy. We're gonna see if we can still catch this move, right? So then we wait, and price is kind of just playing around in this area all throughout market closure throughout the entire day, showing me that this area is very valid. We've been rejecting this for basically the entire of the day, right? The entire day. And then right around here, around 9 o'clock, and you know what? I was like, listen, Asia session is now creating higher lows, right? Higher low and another higher low. So I was like, okay, we're gonna enter this trade, right? We're gonna have our stops below the lows before, and then we're gonna take profits all the way up here. Actually, we had a longer TP, I mean longer stop loss, right? So then we give price time to breathe throughout London session, right? So if this were to happen, we'd have breathing room, but actually that never even happened. If you ended up seeing, price puts us in a drawdown a little bit, and then price actually ends up taking off, guys. Price takes off, and then with the help of news of the USD, I believe the other day, we got this final push for 40 pips, and it was a beautiful breakdown trade based on price action signal, price actions on the lower time frames, recognizing the higher lows being made, the 0.23 being maintained, and the higher low and support and resistance, right? We had a bunch of confluences here, right? Guys, I am a confluence trader. I trade confluences. If you guys are interested in and learning how I trade from square one, not knowing a lick of Forex, please get at me. Hit me up on my email, alex.romero@rockymail.com, or on Instagram at alexromero11 _, right? So that was a beautiful trade that we took, called out to everybody. So we're going to go over to GBPJPY, right? GBPJPY, this is going to be a video that was just cut straight through, right? What happened on GJ, right? If you guys remember back over here, right? I'm going to use the same video for reference. We are in a range, right? And it was an ugly range when you go to the 4 hour. You see this price had pushed up and we ended up ranging. What I had happened is for a break above this zone and then a retest, right? And that happened finally, right? My chart's cleared up because I'm ready to analyze for tonight. But what had happened was price was in this very, very nasty range, right? Nasty range for so long, a couple of days, honestly, right? And I wanted to break above and a retest, right? Well, we got almost exactly that, right? So price actually ended up breaking above, right? Price actually ended up breaking above, and currently right now we have this setup, right? We have a setup. Price ended up breaking above. We didn't get the retest. I feel as though the retest is still to come tonight, right? I believe that we're actually gonna get a retest of this zone down here, right? Possibly hit the 0.38 fib area, which GJ loves, and continue our way back up to this next zone because we have finally broken this area of support and resistance, right? We've broken out of this range right here, and now I'm hoping for price to then come back down into this area, retest off this area, and then go long. That is the breakdown for tonight, right? Again, I'm really hoping for a nice fib play. The 0.38 lines up with this area of support and resistance beautifully, right? We have structure, we have a higher high that we just kind of recognized on UJ. We have a higher high and we pull back. I want to get some price action like we did on UJ down here in this blue box, this blue zone, and then continue our way up. Okay, that's what I'm looking for tonight. That's my breakdown on GBPJPY, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, this is a quick video, a quick update. See who caught the longs with me on UJ, and now I'm setting up for GJ tonight, right? So this is gonna be a quick video. This is gonna maybe a little series, right? Maybe a 5-minute breakdown video, right? Depending on how long this video is. But I hope you guys enjoyed. That's what I'm waiting for GBJPY. Keep your eye on this level down here at the 167.000 psychological level. Keep your eye on this level. I'm gonna be waiting for a retest right here and long. Honestly, sometimes I wish I can send out updates on YouTube without dropping a whole video, but I can't. I'm gonna try to figure something out right there. But again, if you guys are interested in the academy, if you guys that I do send signals in as well as course content. If you're only interested in one or the other, the prices are always discounted. I also have student print discounts. It's all up to you guys, right? I currently have 13 students all out of 15. I'm looking to fill in the 15 spot. Sorry, I had 14 out of 15. I'm looking to fill in the 15 spot. I did have someone sign up and take over that second spot. So I do have one spot open, but I feel like now the academy's been going so good and so smooth and everybody's loving it. So honestly, I'm opening it maybe up to 20 students, and this way I can be able to have a huge community Discord chat with everybody together who shares analysis, right? So that's my breakdown on GJ. That's my breakdown on the UJ trade that I broke down earlier in the week. I hope you guys caught the move with me. I'm gonna be staying away now from UJ just because right at area support and resistance, that's very important, right? I wouldn't really want to take anything unless we break back above and retest and create kind of perfect structure. Okay. So again, guys, that's my breakdown on GJ. Hope you guys catch the move with me, and I'll catch you guys in London. Deuces.